Welcome to another broadcast of the Avid Cruiser. I'm your host, Ralph Grizzle. Hi, I'm Ralph Grizzle, and welcome to this special Avid Cruiser broadcast featuring the yachts of Seabourn's newest yacht, Seabourn Sojourn. Like its sister, Seabourn Odyssey, Sojourn carries 450 guests. Welcome aboard. Hi, I'm Ralph Grizzle.
And I'm Bengtsson.
Welcome aboard Seabourn Sojourn. In this brief video, we're going to take you on a tour of this beautiful vessel. Seabourn Square. This is really the hub of the ship. It's like the lobby of a fine hotel. It's a new concept for cruise ships. You don't have a purser's desk per se. You come to the Seabourn Square to get all sorts of things done, like guest services, destination services. You can even access the internet here and or have a cappuccino.
One of my favorite places on board the Sojourn are the shops. They offer a range of duty-free merchandise from logo wear to fine jewelry and watches.
Something else I really enjoy on board the Sojourn are the fantastic production shows.
This is Ralph Grizzle. Thanks for tuning in. You'll find more on the Avid Cruiser website, avidcruiser.com.